Hi, Tom Snow here again. In this series of videos, I'm going to discuss some of the ins and outs of Vidnami, some of its great features and secrets. This video will be a quick overview. Remember, you can catch the full version in the original trainings listed in the description below. So for the sixth one, I'm going to discuss some of its secrets with voiceovers. So let's take a look. So now, let's look at the finished product. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, then you know there are many tools that you need. When fishing, camping, or hunting. Proper clothes, a compass, and a flashlight. These are some of the most basic items you might take. However, one of the most important tools for the outdoors is a knife. In fact, your knife may be the most essential tool you have. Splitting firewood, preparing food, and first aid. So, get a buck knife, trusted since 1902. So today we scratched the surface on what Vidnami can do. We're just looking at the basics. We're going to spend other days and other videos reviewing some of the finer details. This is exciting stuff that you can create wonderful, amazing videos. And you saw that. Like, how great is that you can create a video like that in a matter of minutes? I mean, most other software takes you hours and usually days. You don't have to put your face in there. You don't have to have your voice in there. You can create what you want. Okay, well, thanks for being here today. Be sure to click on my subscribe button and ring the bell on my YouTube channel so you can stay alerted to each new upcoming videos that are released. To your success.